everyone, welcome back to Science Giri. Today's decoration is a smart bell for Ganesha temple. I have made the bell in such a way that when I hit the gong of the bell, the sound of the bell comes along with Ganpati Bappa Moria. Now let's see how this works. In the smart bell, to play the music, I have used SD card along with Arduino. To know more about the details and how to play music on SD card along with Arduino, watch my earlier video where I have explained everything in detail. I hope you liked today's decoration. I'll be back with another exciting one in the next video. Until then, keep watching Science Gilly. Bye bye.